Very excited. We're coming into the home stretch on my Deerfield Beach project. Remember, this used to be a carport. We've enclosed it, got everything permitted with the city. But as you can see here, just wanted to give you a little peek. So this is a cabana bathroom. You've got the door right over here. We've got the drain line for the toilet. We're gonna put the sink right there with all of the plumbing. And then on this side is the shower. It's gonna have a rain shower feature. So this is the shower pan that we put in, which is this rubber mat that you see here. That also went above the drywall about 2.5, 3 feet high. And now what we're doing is we're covering the whole shower pan in cement, leveling it, and then getting ready to put the tile. So remember that the tile is not what makes the shower waterproof. It's this rubber mat that you put inside all of the goo rock that we wrapped all the way up here. That's what makes it waterproof.